Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome as well. We are going to be doing an unstuffing today. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, so please bear with me. But let's just go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so my voice sounds a little weird because my allergies are like attacking me, so I'm just going to apologize in advance if there's like sniffling, but it's just allergies, so we're just gonna get through it. I went ahead and wrote down all of the amounts that I need to unstuff, and I tried to do this as simple as possible, so there are a lot of round numbers because I either just round it up or down to the closest like denomination that I could, just to make things easier for me. So I'm not too worried about like those couple of dollars and cents. And I went ahead and made this cute little template just for fun. So that's what we're going to be working off of today. But yeah, let's just go ahead and jump in. I'm going to start with my sinking funds first, and then I will be going into my wallet. So how are you guys doing? I hope that you are having a great week. I am so excited that spring is upon us. I just feel so good about like the weather. It's getting nicer and I'm just like really excited, you guys. So let's just go ahead and start. So for Sammy, I need to take out $15. This was for his Valentine's little thing that he gave to his friends at school. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, you would have seen what we made. It was like this really cute little photo of him in a Spider-Man suit because he loves Spider-Man. And it was actually like his costume. And he is like holding out his hand with a lollipop. I'll see if I can insert a picture for you guys. But it was like the cutest thing ever. So I was like obsessed. Everybody loved it. But I'll try to post a picture so you guys can see. So for Emma, we do need to take out 30. I hope this is in frame. I'm like scarred from that one time that my video wasn't in frame. But we do need to take out 38 for formula and then 22 for baby wipes. So that is $60. So let's see. I'm going to get rid of this one because it has like a little chunk taken out of it. And then I'll just keep a 20 in here. So... Alright, so there's 60 out. I like watching these because I like to see what people like spend their money on. But I get so frazzled when I'm filming, so I tried to make this, like I said, as easy as possible for myself. So let's see, household needs $30, so I will make change here. And then I will put one of these back. Okay, I hope that made sense. So I put 40 and I took a 10 out. Yeah. You see, you guys, and that's that I like rounded up and down to just make it easier for myself. It all like evens out at the end. But I can't imagine trying to deal with like ones. Yeah, this wouldn't be going as smooth. Okay, so drugstore, I did buy some shampoo for the kids. My daughter has to have like this special Aveeno one because she gets like eczema and like really dry skin. So yeah, I'm gonna see, do I have any like nicer bills? I'm gonna switch out some of these because these are looking rough, y'all. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that alone. I might end up doing that at the very end just so that nobody gets confused, but I did put $20 in here. And then haircuts, nothing. The next one is vehicle maintenance, and we did get wipers for my vehicle. So we got them at Costco and they were like a really good price. So they were only $30. And then next is clothing. So when we went on our little trip to Lake Tahoe, we did have to buy some clothing. So I needed snow pants because the ones that I had from Germany didn't fit me anymore. I've gained some weight. So, and then my husband needed some as well. I don't think he ever had any. Whenever we used to go, he would just like rent the snow pants because we have like this really cool program out there where you can like rent outdoor stuff for like really cheap. So he would just rent them for like a couple dollars, but he didn't have that option this time, so we just bought him some. We got a really good deal at Columbia. They were $30 each, mine and his. So that was $60. And then he had taken some work boots with him just to use that instead of buying snow boots. And that didn't work out. Like, they were soaking wet, and we just ended up buying him some snow boots out there, and we got a really good deal on those. We bought them at like some outlet store that was like down there, so it was only $50. So our clothing allowance is like completely gone, but that's okay because we got what we needed. And then let's see what's next. Home renovations. So okay, so my sinking funds is done. And for home renovation, we did buy some blinds. So we have these like back patio doors that had curtains on them, but it was like near my kitchen, and I noticed that like they were just getting kind of dingy because you know how when you cook, like grease kind of like travels around in the air. I don't know, is it just me? Am I crazy? I don't know, they look dingy to me, and I decided, you know what, I don't want curtains there, I just want some blinds. So there's these like really cool like inserts that you can like put on the door, and yeah, so we ordered some of those. So they were kind of pricey, but I am hoping that they work really well for us. So I need to take $300. I'm gonna take some of these 20s, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, and 100. All right. So that was 300 in total that I took out. So let's see, I still have 250. That's not too bad. That was definitely something that I didn't necessarily like need, but in my mind, I needed it. And then Valentine's gear and bumper plates. So the gear is what my husband got me for Valentine's Day. He got me like a bunch of survivalist gear, and so he did go over the $200 limit that he had like told me that's what I needed to set aside. So he paid for the rest of it out of his own like personal money that he gets to spend whatever he wants on. So $200 for that. And then I did buy him some bumper plates for his home gym. And again, these were also a little bit more expensive than what I had saved up. So I just used my own personal spending money to make that happen. So that was really cool. I actually got them off of, I want to say it was Walmart, and they were not that expensive at all, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and take this envelope out. I will use it again next year, but I probably won't even save for it until we're like really close to it. So I'm just going to take it out for now. But those are done. And then let's see, travel and hotel. So the hotel was super expensive because we didn't plan in advance, and we booked it like the day that we got there. And so $370 is what I need. And so it was like really expensive. $320 is like way out of our normal hotel cost, but we just went ahead and did it because we didn't want to drive home. And it was also like a holiday weekend, so the prices were just gouged already. And then the hotel that we stayed in wasn't like, it wasn't anything special. It was just like a normal hotel. So that was like kind of a bummer, but we still had a really great time. So overall it was worth it. But yeah, $370. So I have 50, 150, 250, 300, and $350. So the other $20, I am just gonna grab it out of our miscellaneous fund, which is in my other wallet. So, and then generator, don't need to pull anything out of there. So I owe myself right now $20. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do before I forget. Guys, and I've gotten some questions on these binders that I use for my sinking funds and my savings challenges. These binders are still available on my website. I do have like a limited quantity, so if you need like a sinking funds binder, I love these. They fit so many envelopes in there, and highly, highly recommend them. So let's see, before I forget, I'm gonna take $20 out of miscellaneous. Okay, and then let's see, groceries. We actually went grocery shopping before I had cash stuffed, so I need to take that. So 110. So we just put in our card, and now I'm going to be taking this back to the bank and paying it off. And then family fun, I am going to be taking out the money that we spent on our trip, which was we did a snowmobile, and then we also did snow tubing, and it was roughly about $140. So again, that went on our card, so I'm just going to be pulling it out of here, which is our family envelope. So let's see, 100, 200, what am I saying? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and oh, I wish this was enough. Okay, I'm like $5 short. That way I could take all this money out and just leave the 50. Do I have, maybe I'll just take it out of my own spending money. No, I only have 20s in there. Oh, you guys. Okay, so I need 140. So I'm gonna put this 50 over here, and I'm gonna take a 10 out. Okay, and then so that's 40, right? So 100, no, that's 40. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, so 140 went in. Guys, I'm a hot mess. I tried not to be. I really did. I tried to just have it all together, and it's just, I'm a mess. I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna take this 20 out and put these two 10s in, and yeah, okay. I'm so upset that I was $5 short. It's okay. It's okay. The money's gonna get spent anyways. Okay, and then now I need, we bought pizza at Costco the other day because my husband had like a really rough day at work, and yeah, we didn't want to cook, and I was like, you know what, like let's just take it easy, like let's not cook, like let's just, you know, do what we gotta do. So I'm gonna be taking $10 out of here, and I'm just gonna take the other $2 out of Starbucks because I had $10 initially, but I had a few dollars left on my Starbucks like gift card that I got from using Fetch. So if you guys don't know what Fetch is, it's basically just like an app on your phone where you scan in your receipts and then you get points. And then you get to redeem the points for gift cards. So I still had a couple of dollars on that gift card. So I just paid the rest with the cash that I had for my coffee. Because typically my coffee costs like $7. So I just used what I had on the app. And then the rest of it I paid with cash. I hope that makes sense. But anyway, I'm just going to take the $2 out of there because I really don't care. Like, it's not that big of a deal to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and count everything and make sure that it matches up. And guys, I'm probably most likely going to come back and like look at what bills are nice and like trade them out because I'm just crazy like that. But let's count this. What did I do with my calculator? Oh, here it is. All right, so 15, 38, 22, 30, 20, 30, 60, 50, 300, 200, 90, 320, 50, 110, 140, and 12. So that should be 1487. All right, so let's count what I have here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 50, 150, 250, 350, 450, so 450, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 520, and 540. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, 50. Wait, 50. And then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, and 47. Perfect. That's exactly what it should be. And I am very happy that I made it easy for myself this go around and just like rounded those numbers, because I knew I didn't have like ones. I rarely use ones when I'm doing stuffings or unstuffing. And like whenever I am charging things or whenever I'm paying for things with a card, it's always with my credit card. I rarely ever use my debit. So I'm just going to take this back to the bank and I'm going to pay it off on our credit card before the statement closes out, so that I don't have any interest to pay. If you enjoyed this unstuffing, make sure to let me know in the comments, because I rarely film these, but if you like to see them, I will definitely film it for you, because I have to do it anyways. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, but I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!